Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Tonganoxie, Kansas. We are essentially saving the customer here from getting ripped off by a previous contractor that supposedly put in a drainage system right here. The guy was here for one day, and yeah, we'll take a little look here at what the customer was left with. Essentially, this little trench here was just filled with gravel. There's no piping. But more importantly, the stones that you see here were all ruined by that other contractor. So we have actually rebuilt the vast majority of this, getting it back into place. The other contractor essentially only buried the two downspouts here on each corner. This one, you can see for whatever reason they decided to backfill with big rocks, so now the customer can't even mow their yard near here. So we're going to get this all cleaned up. This downspout's going to be running further straight down. The one right here is going to be connected to our drain system. So we're going to install some actual French drain here along the side of the house. Filter fabric with that Petromat, 3/4 inch clean rock, our two sets of piping, and then we're going to run that. They're marking out right now the general path of where this is going to go. So we're going to have that downspout and the drainage, the French drain system, all running out this way. And then this downspout's going to meet the end of the system. We're going to utilize this box and run that just a little bit further out, and that's going to be the end of the French drain system. So we're going to get a lot of digging done today, get everything lined out, and gravel should be out here later in the afternoon. Other than that, we just need to dig, go get the pipes, and hopefully wrap this up either today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for more updates as we continue along and save this project from getting ruined by previous contractors. So you'll be able to find these updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Again, while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.